African Union estimates the blue economy as a major contributor to the continent's income, creating millions of jobs and providing vital benefits such as food security, livelihoods and biodiversity. Antonia Kivaria has more details.
In a groundbreaking step towards modernizing fisheries sector while preserving traditional livelihood, the Marine and Coastal Observation for Southern Africa and Indian Ocean Fisheries Exchange Workshop in Dar es Salaam gathers fishermen, scientists, policymakers, and tech innovators under one roof to connect traditional knowledge with cutting-edge digital solutions.
We have brought almost representatives from, or delegations from more than 9 countries who are here, and the main thing that we are doing here is to share experience in various fishing value chain or fish value chains that we do in the countries that are bordering the Indian Ocean, as well as the islands that are around the Indian Ocean.
The workshop featured live demonstration of GPS tracking system, mobile-based market platform, and electronic catch documentation. All those tools aim to increase fishers' income, enhance safety at sea, and support marine conservation. Dr. Ismail Kimirei, Director General of Tanzania Fisheries Research Institute, emphasized the strategic value of Africa's ocean territories.
This has multiple significance. One, we provided the information to the fishers so that they don't use most of their precious time looking for fish at sea. So they know where they are going to fish on that particular day. They can even estimate the amount of fuel they will need to get there. That way we cut down the cost of fishing.
Other stakeholders encouraged the urgency of ensuring that artisanal fisheries are not left behind in digital transformation.
It's to assist fishers to be able to make better decisions by giving them information around potential fishing zones, and then also met information, what the conditions are like at sea, where they're going to improve their safety, to improve their return times on the catch, and then also to connect them to a market where they can sell the fish and connect the market with the fishers.
So we come up with innovation in terms of app to help fishermen to identify potential fishing zone. That is where to fish to get reasonable catch.
The initiative aligning with the African Union Agenda of 2063, which envisions inclusive and sustainable growth for Africa driven by its own citizens and centered on responsible use of blue economy resources. Reporting from Dar es Salaam, Antonia Kivaria, TBC News.